So I got this backhoe a couple weeks ago. When I picked it up, I saw it, that it was leaking right here on this right stabilizer. So I'm gonna try to fix it today. I got the kit from a Green Parts store. That's the part number. Hadn't seen any videos on this specific backhoe, so anyway, I'm gonna try to tackle it. So once all the fluid's out, there's a little snap ring right there. I don't know if you can see it. Try to get the light up there. But we got to take that out. And looking at the breakdown, I think that's all that holds it in there. So I'm gonna give it a light tug and see if it'll come out. It's still spraying. That's it. Well, that was easy. All right, so here it is. All right, to break this loose, I'm gonna use an impact, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this back on the stabilizer to hold it. So it looks like it had some blue thread locker, so I'm gonna put some more back on it when I put it back together. That comes off. That comes off. All right, now we gotta figure out how to change them. Okay, so here's all the new stuff. New snap ring. So that stretched out a little bit when I put it on there, but I've read online that that'll, by the time you get it ready to put back together, it'll kind of go back into, it'll be tight. So hopefully that's the case. I'm just gonna clean this one off more. Got it all the way around, so maybe it'll be loose enough to move. There we go. Damn. Yeah, the bottom is that cork one, or whatever this is. Yeah, if this is the, whatever, I'm calling this the top. But if that's the top, then this one goes underneath it. So this is, I guess that's the rubber one. Well, it's the same as this one. So the new one looks like it's cork. So the only, well, never mind, I know where that one went. It's one of these other bigger ones that I'm not sure. So then the one above that is this rubber, which is this new one over here. So it looks like the same thing over here. The top one is the regular rubber O-ring. And the bottom one looks like, yeah, it's this one, the rubbery one. So the only thing I'm not sure about is where this bigger, which is rubbery too, but it's different than that. Yeah, it's smaller than that. I'm not sure where this one goes. So we get a little bit of hydraulic fluid. Put this flat one in first. Okay, so the bottom one's in. Well, that is a much tighter seal, so maybe that's part of the problem. This goes on the inside on the bottom. This is the new top one. Push that down. All right, I should have put this one in before the cork one. It almost seems like it's too big. Same size as the one that came out. I think I am. I'm gonna take the cork one back out if I can get it out without damaging it. I'm gonna try to put this one in first. Okay, it goes right in. So then this one, hopefully I could slide underneath it. Whichever one you put in first, the second one doesn't want to seat all the way. There we go. So it goes. It's a tight fit. All right, so those are all in. Now I got to put this one back in. Well, shit. One side's not want to go in. I'm gonna get a real hammer. I don't know what I did. It's going fine over here. It won't go down over here. Past the point of no return now. It's either get it in there or I gotta order another seal. Oh, it went. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. So this side is done. Let's take this off. So I think that's everything. Like I said, I still don't know. I don't know where this one went because I've put these two on. These two go to out here. These two go on the inside. That goes there. That goes there, and that goes there. I don't see another spot for this. So I'm gonna clean all this up real good. Try to lube all these up. Yeah, that's how it all goes back together. We're gonna get into the frame. Alright, we're ready to go back. Wipe this out real good. Okay, there it goes. You just got to push the shit out of it. Should be able to just tap right here, I think. Alright, well that's it. We'll put the hoses back on. Cycled it up and down a few times, so all it should be full of fluid now. I think we're good. Where it would really leak before is when I had it all the way up.